While you're reading this, your competitors are pulling ahead. They figured out something crucial about connecting Notion with Velatir. Manual processes don't scale. Automation does. Right now, businesses using puq.ai are responding to customers faster, making decisions quicker, and operating leaner. They're not working more hours. They're working smarter hours. Every day you delay automation is a day you fall further behind. The gap between automated businesses and manual ones is widening every single month. But here's the opportunity. It's not too late to catch up and even leap ahead. puq.ai can have your Notion and Velatir working together seamlessly within the hour. No lengthy implementation. No steep learning curve. Just immediate productivity gains. The question isn't whether you should automate. It's whether you can afford not to. Close the gap today. Start at puq.ai.